Welcome, everyone, and thanks for dropping in for my stay at Rio, Las Vegas. Rio is located just 1.2 miles from the Las Vegas Strip and is within walking distance to the Gold Coast and Palms Casino Resort. Rio opened in January 1990 as the first all-suite hotel casino in Las Vegas. For many years, this property has been operated and run into the ground by Caesars Entertainment. However, in 2023, Dreamscape companies took over operations and some exciting renovations and upgrades are taking place, including the new Canteen Food Hall. This space replaces the old buffet and features 6 different food stalls. Tender Crush offers fried chicken with flavors inspired by New York City's diverse neighborhoods. Nama Nama offers high-quality street food style sushi from Tokyo. And at Shogun Rama by Master Fu, you can experience the ultimate ramen. And here's Attaboy Burger by Chef Alec Resnick. There is also the Southland Burrito Company by Chef Marco Herrera. And Tony Luke's Cheesesteaks, the real taste of South Philly. I ordered a beef cheesesteak with sweet peppers and it was amazing. A very tasty, authentic tasting cheesesteak from top to bottom. I just wish they would have had the option of adding mayonnaise and tomatoes. That would have been awesome. Other venues are coming soon, including a new cocktail lounge and eatery. Other dining options that were still at the Rio include Kang's Kitchen Korean Barbecue and Guy Fieri's Burrito Borracho, which offers pool views. The Royal India All-You-Can-Eat Indian Buffet. KJ Dim Sum and Seafood Restaurant. And Fodanang Noodles. And Hash House A Go Go, a popular brunch spot that features oversized portions. Here's a look at their farm fresh potatoes and eggs and a pizza-sized blueberry pancake. At the time of this recording, everything was still the same in the carnival-themed area of the casino. Maybe they will bring back the carnival in the sky. The Kiss Museum, mini golf, and arcades still remain. And Rio Las Vegas is still the home to the long-running Chippendales and Penn and Teller shows. Go to the Rio Rewards Center to get your player's card, and you'll receive $8 in free play. Rio offers a 15,000 square foot pool deck with 4 pools that have recently been renovated. The renovation features new landscaping, cabanas, multicolored chairs, and umbrellas. And I'm happy to report that the poolside drink service was spot on. My check-in experience at Rio was fabulous. I wasn't able to upgrade to one of the newly remodeled rooms, but I did get a room on the 27th floor of the Masquerade Tower with a strip view, plus a 4-hour complimentary early check-in. The nightly rate for this room was only $20 per night. The standard rooms at All Suite Rio measure up at 580 square feet. The room was very clean and bright and sunny, especially with those floor-to-ceiling windows. The bed and the carpeting was in good condition, but most of the furniture had a lot of signs of wear and tear. And there was a complete absence of any USB charging ports or any charging stations. The television worked fine and there was plenty of stations to watch. The room also comes with a mini fridge for your own personal use. There is a Walgreens nearby. And I really enjoyed every moment of these floor-to-ceiling windows. I found the view from here of Las Vegas to be absolutely fabulous. There is a large vanity area that comes with a stool for a more comfortable grooming experience. A soap dish, very nice. It's the little things. Across from the vanity, plenty of closet space, and you're safe. The bathroom comes with a separate sink and a shower tub combo. plenty of water pressure from the shower, and the bathtub was slightly longer than a standard tub. I really enjoyed soaking in it. And there's one thing I thought that was a little odd. There's a little window where you can see into the bathroom from the main room. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support this content, you can hit the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more fabulous content. Tap that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.